Hello, friend. Hope you are doing well. In our previous video, I will manage this and everything. But before one things, look at this. This is the category, okay? And we go to the category. Look at that. This is our breadcrumb, and this breadcrumb will not be dynamic. So our target to all of the necessary things will be make dynamic. So better look at the subcategory, and also this is the static data will be shown in here. But all of this manage slider or manage info box or something like that. Here all of this is static data. So better in this section, our breadcrumb will be dynamic. Be remember for that. I will show here in every part to make it dynamic step by step. So that's why we make it dynamic and go to the VS Code and take in action. Here, this is our code editor. So better here you can see include backend section breadcrumb and goes to the breadcrumb here this is the tables and data table. I my specific target to make these two things will be dynamic, so let's show how to manage this. Here this is a breadcrumb, and first of all make it title. Here title will be the category. Oh, that's my bad. After this, subtitle. What happened? All categories. Oh, what the categories? Fine. Now jump to the breadcrumb. Now this is the breadcrumb, and here table is removed and put into the title where I passed. This is the title. Why I make it title? Because that here I pass the title into our breadcrumb. Okay, this is the title, and it is very simple. And this will be the subtitle. Just go to our browser and check it is it work or not. Now here are breadcrumb, and now keep reload. Yes, look at that category and all categories, all of data is came in here, and also our specific mechanism will be work. Because of that I make it dynamic. So all of this here, go to our VS Code and show it. I just only category. When I move subcategory, it will be error because that our subcategory will not pass or even something. So better step by step, all of these pages I make it dynamic. It will be shows the error. Yes, here the shows is undefined variable title because the subcategory. When I go to the route into the subcategory, this is the subcategory pages. We are not making dynamic. Go to our VS Code, and I will show you why we get the error actually. This is our code editor. It only be category, and I manage this index. So similar mechanism will be, this is the copy here. Better make its copy and go to the edit.blade.php also. All of these places we will be put in the same file, but make sure the variable will a category, all category, that's fine. Because of that edit section category, all categories node. Hmm, when you edit, how here all categories, not all categories. So update category. That's fine. Update categories. Similarly, go to the create.blade.php. Here, a subtitle will be add categories. Fine, perfect. So another, this is the index.blade.php into our info box, and our previous video we have to complete a info section, and that's why this info section we will also manage, and not a title. Here the info box, info box, managed info. Perfect. So here's the category. Also category manages perfectly. This is the subcategory. Here is the index. When you index, just put it in here. Yes, subcategories. Here also all, I just put it all subcategories. Perfect. Because of that, here is the subcategory index pages, and look at the edit pages. Also put it here, and here the all categories not, it's a subcategory. And subtitle will be update. That's fine. I hope everything will be clear, and go to our VS browser and check it. And now keep reload. Here all subcategory will be coming, and go to our edit page and update subcategory. Application setting, manage slider. Will be slider will be missing, friend. Yeah, so that's why make it 0. So better we fix it, our slider pages. Here is the slider, and go to the index.bread.php. We already knows what will I do. So just put it slider. Definitely it will be the all sliders. Yeah, didn't make it dynamic strings. Just place and just put. No. Fine. Add slider. Add slider. It will be the edit page and not add slider. It will be the update slider. It will be the updates. What it happened? Fine. And now another things is the create. Perfect. Now once again keep reload. Everything will be clear. I hope all of these things will be fixed perfectly. Yes, it's a beautiful. Okay, friend, that's beautiful. We want to create a amazing application. So believe that. Keep beside of our channel and grow up your career significantly. I promise you. I will share all of my experience, industry experience, or eventually and lots of multiple courses I have to bring in this channel. If you want to a passionate web application developer of multiple technology like Laravel, Vue.js, Monster web application, Flutter, React Native, or whatever, all of these professional application I will be develop in here step by step in my channel. So if you like my videos, please subscribe of my channel. Your small contribution to make inspire me a lot. Okay, but this video is already big and completed our targeted work in this section. Breadcrumb will be make it dynamic perfectly, and the next video I will be shows. Go to our look at this our main web application dev explorer.xyz, and here look at this the popular categories. All the categories icon will be shown and make route will be the dynamic and also make it Patron is all categories. So okay, let's see for our next video. Thank you so much.